The year is 1956, a time when the world was on the brink of a technological revolution. Scientists Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon unveiled a groundbreaking invention, the logic theorist. This was not just a simple computer program. It was a machine designed to mimic human thought processes. This wasn't just another computer program. It was capable of solving problems and proving mathematical theorems, something that had never been done before by a machine. It was the world's first artificial intelligence program. The logic theorist could reason and make decisions, laying the foundation for future AI developments. The logic theorist marked a pivotal moment in history. It demonstrated that machines could be more than just calculators. They could be thinkers. It was the dawn of machines capable of thinking. This innovation opened the door to a new era where artificial intelligence would eventually become an integral part of our daily lives. What could this thinking machine actually do? Imagine a machine capable of tackling the complexities of mathematical theorems, something that was once the sole domain of human intellect. The logic theorist was designed to prove mathematical theorems. It was one of the earliest programs to demonstrate that machines could perform tasks that required high-level cognitive functions. These are complex logical statements that require rigorous proof. The logic theorist could handle these intricate problems by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable parts. The program was a set of rules and procedures. These rules were based on formal logic, allowing the machine to systematically explore different possibilities. It could analyze and manipulate symbols. This symbolic manipulation was crucial for solving mathematical problems as it allowed the machine to understand and transform complex expressions. This allowed it to find proofs for theorems. By following logical steps, the machine could arrive at conclusions that were both accurate and verifiable. Some of these proofs were even more elegant than those created by human mathematicians. This demonstrated the potential of machines to not only match but sometimes surpass human capabilities in specific intellectual tasks.